Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm upgrading the third brake light and cargo lights on my 2026 Ram 1500. Here are the new LEDs from Lasfit. Once again, the packaging and overall quality look solid. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Now let's jump into it. All you need for this install is a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing these 4 screws on the cargo and third brake light housing. Next, remove the light housing pulling from the bottom, and be sure not to damage the seal. The cargo light wires are secured by clips. You'll need to unclip the wires so you have enough slack to perform the light change. Next, remove the stock lights so we can replace them with the Lasfit LEDs. With the new LEDs, make sure you orient them correctly so they fit into the socket. Next, test the lights to make sure they're working properly. Next, we will reinstall the light sockets and then resecure the wires. Next, reinstall the 4 screws into the light housing and make sure not to over-tighten. The install was quick and easy, with no extra wiring or modifications needed. The cargo lights are noticeably brighter, and the lighting now has a cleaner, more consistent look. Everything worked properly with no hyperflash or error messages. Overall, this is a simple upgrade that improves both visibility and appearance. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep building.